Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and in today's video we're going to check out 10 unforgettable short hair transformations. So if you are on the hunt for a brand new hairstyle, this video is for you. Be sure to give it a like if you feel inspired by any of today's looks, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest hair trends. So first up, we see someone with some long blonde hair. The stylist is cutting the hair down. Looks like she might be given a shave-in cut or an undercut. So the stylist ended up getting her a beautiful undercut pixie. She does have the two-tone coloring going with this blonde at the top. And then we move into the next transformation. So she also ended up going blonde and getting this stunning pixie cut. Loving the bangs in the front and the choppiness in the back. So then we move on to another drastic pixie hair change. So she started off with long hair. The stylist is cutting the hair into ponytails, indicating that she is going to be donating the hair. So she went from this long, beautiful hair to that short pixie cut. There is the hair that is going to be donated, and there is her finished pixie. Flawless results, longer bangs in the front, beautiful overall shape and texture that the stylist created with this cut. So next up we have a DIY haircut. So she ended up going to the salon because she just thought this is going to be way too much for me to do on my own. I wish we would have got a better look at the pixie itself at the end, but we move on to this next pixie hair change. So this one features one of the hottest hair color shades for this fall, and that is of course ginger colored hair. Looks like she is going to be getting an undercut pixie with this transformation. Wow, she actually ended up getting an undercut bob. Loving that design she had on the side as well. And here is another undercut here with this next one. This is probably the most popular hair trend we've seen so far in 2022. A lot of women are getting undercuts and doing different variations to kind of make the look their own. We're seeing undercut bobs, undercut pixies, undercut bixies, and more. Loving this pixie hair change for this next transformation. This one features tons of choppy layers and face framing bangs. Next up, we see the inspiration behind this brilliant bob transformation. So this haircut is done by the Hair Bros, and this is a company that does a lot of very trendy bob haircuts. They're known for the infamous Italian bob. Gorgeous, the stylist did add some texture by wetting the hair, showcasing a nice little wavy look. Then we move into another transformation. Wow, brilliant change. She ended up going with this lavender pixie. Then we see another transformation for the next one. She starts off with a basic bob. And she has also got a very nice pixie cut. Beautiful feather layered bang, shaven side, gorgeous haircut. So if you guys haven't done so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are liking these hairstyles. It really helps my channel out. And of course, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest hair trends. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.